Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. All right, I'm here for what? Well, I'm here to take a look at the pre-market action, mark my supply and demand right on the 10-minute based on where the wicks are at. And then once the market open, I trade those price levels, those supply and demand areas. And once the market opens, as the price reaches these levels. So with that all said, let's begin. All right. I always like to start with the SPY. So let's do that right off the bat. All right. Let's start with SPY real quick. All right. Appreciate you for joining. All right, here we go. Today should be a great day. I really enjoyed watching yesterday's video, which I'm gonna talk about, which I'm gonna be talking about very, very soon after we're done with our mapping. And as well, I'll be posting that video today. I'll be doing what is called a reaction video, as well as learning about what lesson we take from that yesterday. It was great. It was incredible. All right. So here we go. All right, cool. So this is SPY right here. So we're gonna go ahead and mark our supply and demand real quick based on where the wicks are at on the 10 minutes. So here we go. Let's go ahead and mark right here. Skadoosh. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me and I'll put it in the chat real quick. I gotcha. All right, here we go. Look for the wicks. Wicks here, check. So wick here, check. Wick here, check. Also, this is the low. The high and the low will at least give them a little color, so we know that area is a distinction. All right, and this is the high right now. As of right now, go ahead and give it a distinction. Okay, here we go. SPY looks pretty chill today. All right, so there seems to be that. I'm not seeing much wick anymore. Before I do a quick bird's eye view, let's go ahead and check with the verify with the 30 minutes. Let's check that out real quick here. So the price opened here, went all the way down, found the floor, went all the way up, found the ceiling, went back down, breaking this floor right here, going to this right here, and then bouncing up, clearing this ceiling and going straight to the ceiling. Pretty chill. The 30-minute looks verified. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do a quick bird's eye view real quick as to where the price is. But oh, look at that, it just cleared this ceiling now, so we're gonna move that up. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at bird's eye view real quick of where the price is at relatively yesterday. Very bullish today, as you guys can see in the pre-market here. Do you guys see that? Okay, I'm gonna have to use this one real quick. I'm gonna switch this to the 10 minutes so you guys can see, because I know the top screen is blocked by the PNL here. Oops, let me just clear that for you. So let's focus on the bottom screen real quick. I went ahead and changed to the 10-minute. Follow with me real quick. So here we go. All right, so as you guys can see, this is where the price is currently at right now. Dabbling right here. Right? We're dabbling right here. Right, this is where the bounce happened right here. Oh, wow, look at that. When the retracement happened, this is where it's holding. Well, this is the high of yesterday right here. And it's also a gap here. So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and mark the high of yesterday. Of course, that's, oh, wow, the high of yesterday is essentially right here. This is why it was struggling to pass above here. So we've already got the high of yesterday right here, actually. Look at that. You guys see that? Do you see that? All right, cool. All right, perfect. So we got this mark right here. This right here, we don't really necessarily have to mark. No, we're good on this one. I don't have to extend that out. So let's go ahead and go out above that to see what other spots are likely gonna react. Let's take a look at it. Oh, okay. Look at this high right here. So we can definitely, get this, and as well as, yeah, we can definitely get this one. All right. Again, this is where the price is at. So we're just trying to see where price is going to react later on. So if you can see here, look right here, right? This is a channel that a few days ago on the 4th, this it was dabbling in this channel. So look, can go ahead and use this, extend this line out. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this right here. Activate. I'm going to just extend it out. Okay, went ahead and extended that out. What else? We essentially need to extend these out, really. These levels. This is a good one. So let me probably extend this out, see what it looks like. Extend on. Check. We got this one. Do we need to use this one? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Do we need to use this one? No. Nope. Nothing. That's it. This is important. So we're using this one. We're using this level. We gotta at least use one of these because these are the highs. So let's go ahead and just get rid of them. Oh wow, there's actually two. Let's go ahead and use this one. Let's go ahead and edit. Let's turn. Okay, the extension is on for that. Okay, I think we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. So anything else you can still use? Let's go further in. Further, 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 further. Okay. All right. All right, here we go. Let's go back to reality. Wow, what a nice move up with the SPY here. So these are the levels we have marked. So we're gonna be waiting for these levels. Oh, as well as here too. This is pretty important right here. As you guys can see right here. All right. This looks kind of important. Price held right here for a little bit. Let's have this mark right here. Because right now the price is just, a few cents below here. Let's go ahead and extend this out and see what it looks like. We're just being proactive right now. You know what I mean? Seeing the supply and demand from previous days. Okay, so let's not get too complicated at this point. I think that's more than enough to capture some, move. Okay, we're done. We're done with SPY. We're good with SPY. This is zone right here. I think we're all right with SPY. We are all right with SPY. So now let's focus the 10-minute on the top, and then we'll have our 5-minute right here. Okay, so these are our levels for SPY. So now we can go ahead and mark this as a regular color, basically. And then we can have this yellow color until it gets, of course, cleared. Let's assume that's the high. All right, cool. I think we're done with SPY. So let's go ahead and go to Tesla real quick. Okay, Tesla looks chill. Tesla looks pretty simple, right? It just came down and moved up. That's cool. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and mark right here real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and also mark right here. All right, and also mark right here. Okay, I'm marking right here, by the way, this wick right here. It's also supported by here and here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. This is also a good one too, before I do that. All right. It's not bad, not bad. Tesla looks simple today in the pre-market. Simple lad. Here we go. So what else? Where else can we mark? So we do need this level for sure. Especially right on top of it, yeah. Let's go ahead and activate this real quick. We do need this. So let's just use this real quick. We need this level. You see this right here? This rejection that occurred yesterday? This is where the price essentially kind of cooled off from after this run up. Price cooled off from this ceiling. So keep that ceiling in mind. Keep that ceiling in mind. It's also the high of yesterday. All right. All right, cool. All right, very, very well. Do we see anything else? I think that's it. That is it. Let's check the 30. Oh, this is the 30 minute. That's cool. We just use the 30 minutes to mark this. Oh, that's why it looked so simple. That's why. That still looks simple on the 10 minute. So let's look at the 10 minute here. Okay, this is a nice. Came here, held it off, broke it for some weird reason. And it came right here, this zone, moved it right back up. So it's pretty wow. All right, and so now we're at that ceiling from yesterday. Okay, very, very well done. That is it. That is it. Where else do we need? Do we need any of these? Do we need any of these? I don't believe we do. This one, maybe. Maybe this one. Let me just clear this out real quick. Hmm. Trying to see which one would we need. There's a wick right here. We basically have this wick. Oh no, we don't. We don't. You're trying to determine if I need this wick level here. I think we're good. This is more than enough. Yeah, we're fine. Doesn't seem to be a big deal one. This is definitely a big deal one. I think we're good. I think we're good. We're good on yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right, so let's just be more proactive now and look at above it. Or if we were to cross here, if the price were to break here, where is it likely gonna go? Or likely gonna react? So right here, which is a also a spot that occurred. Look what happened here, right? So that's why we went ahead and marked it. There seems to be a level here. This is which is right here. Interesting. It's right here. Which we do have that. We're good. We are good with Tesla. All right, I think we're all set. We're all set. I don't think we need to complicate anything. This is nice. This is very nice. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's go to appearance real quick and let's change it to regular color. Okay. All right. We sit back, we relax, we wait for the market to open. That's it. That is it. So let's go ahead and keep an eye on SPY first. I'm gonna have SPY on the main screen first, and then we can then proceed. Okay, that means these ones should not have any color. Let me just all right, cool. The market's gonna open very, very soon in the next, less than 1 minute right now, market's gonna open. So let's go. Here we go. This is SPY right here. SPY is struggling to break above this level. Let's see what happens here. Looks like it wants to do a huge run up. And so this is that level right here. Oh no, it's from a previous day. So right now, SPY is looking to break here. It's looking to break here. I don't know if you guys see that. So we'll see what happens here. It's gonna open in 10 seconds here. SPY is gonna open in 10 seconds. Here we go. Market is now gonna open very, very soon. Here we go. Is it gonna break or is it gonna have a cool down first before it breaks? Okay. Here we go. There seems to be a cool down first, it appears. All right, here we go. Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Let me take one light put on it. See what's gonna happen if it's gonna break that level. I went ahead and took one light put just to see if it's gonna break it. I waited just a little bit because there was a little struggle here. So I decided to go ahead and place a put. So right now I'm going against the VWAP. This is going to be a tight battle here. Likely going to move up, of course. But we'll see what happens here. Can you guys see the screen well? Okay, we're getting that VWAP retest right now, that push down. Here we go. Here we go. This VWAP retest right here. Okay. Right now we place a put on this level here. We're going down here to this level and we're getting a push up right now with the 5 minutes. You guys can see. We're going to be turning green. We're already getting the push up, it appears. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. We're getting a push up. Just expected. I wanted to see it. Okay, very well done. Okay, very, very good. I just want to see how strong that level was. That's why I went ahead and placed the put. You know, that's when I went ahead and what? Placed the put. Right there. All right, here we go. Here we go. Beautiful move up here. Beautiful move up. Absolute gorgeous, right? Let's take a look at Tesla, how it's doing. Okay, very well. Tesla seemed to be kind of okay. It came to this level and it's kind of holding up a bit. That's just essentially what's going on. All right, we'll just keep eye on it. Let's just see SPY here. SPY came back under the zone here, under this line. So we'll see what's happening right now. It appears to have been got pushed down. If it shows red, I'm gonna go ahead and add in. Okay, so it got pushed down. All right. See what happens here. We need to break this level, of course. Okay, we're very tight right now. We're not seeing any wicks right now at this level. Okay. See what happens here. Okay, here we go. We're not seeing any wick. Cool. Nice break on the downside. We can go ahead and get one out. Nice break. Let's get two out, actually. All right, nice break here. See if we're going to go over here or not with this one contract in place. Tesla, just right now, Tesla is just doing its thing. Okay. We'll keep eye on the side. Let's go to Tesla, see what's up. All right, so Tesla right now, it's dabbling here. Comes here, is reacting. Comes here, is reacting. Right now, we're getting a rejection. Oh my goodness, there's a rejection right now going on with Tesla. SPY is still underneath that, that level that I'm trading. So I'm gonna just maintain that one contract. Tesla opened up all the way here. Oh my goodness, it opened up well below the VWAP. So well below the VWAP. Okay. That's what's going on with Tesla right now. Let's go to SPY and see how close it got to that's the next level we're trying to sell here essentially. So I'll just get out right now actually, yeah. Because there's this flag, right? I'm sure it's gonna continue going down, but let's just recognize that profit already. The 5-minute open below the VWAP as well as below here. So which is very, very good. It's a sign that SPY gonna go down. But there's still some, of course, I mean that the SPY is bullish, so you can't just assume it's gonna go all the way there. All right. Do you notice the difference how we're trading today and yesterday? Because we took a lesson. That's what's up. We took a lesson. Yeah, I knew what's going on with me. What was I? What wrong I was doing? And so we learn and we move, right? All right, cool. Tesla's looking for a potential call in this zone. Essentially, very risky though, because you're going against this fall down. Like, what is going on here? So let's take at least one call and see if that zone's gonna get broken. This dip would have been nice to get in, for sure. If we can get in here, that'll be great. That'll be very good. Okay, SPY's looking for a call at this level even. You can certainly get in right here. Tempted to get in right here, just have a tight stop loss, anything below this line. You know what I mean? There seems to be a hold here. Say it's very tempted to get on a call right now on Tesla. Here we go. Come on, at least get to this zone for me. Right now, Tesla's not looking good. This seems to be a downfall right now. But this level though is good buy. But at the same time, I'd rather just get in right here. Just to kind of, close my risk a little bit. Because I don't want it to get in here and fall down here just to get picked back up. You know what I mean? So I'm going to allow it to come here. I'm going to just trade it. Although I could trade here because it could certainly bounce. It's kind of that's what happened in the pure market. And that's what's likely may happen. Okay? So here we go. Okay? So we need to buy Tesla right here. This zone, this pickup that occurred. It appears to be struggling to not even like get here because he just wants to bounce, continue the reversal. But we're gonna be patient. We're gonna be patient. We're trading a little different than yesterday because we learned something. We learned something. All right. Yesterday was one of my greatest lessons I've experienced with trading. It really was because I was biased to just puts, and therefore I was even like going against the market. So that was a real experience. I was rewatching my video many times. I'll be posting that video from yesterday, by the way, with the reaction. So the reason why I didn't post it because I wanted to do a reaction video. Look at that beauty. This is what I was afraid of too. That's why I didn't take this call. I didn't take the call here because I thought it might come back here and then bounce up. But I also understood that it's probably going to continue forward here. But yeah, here we go. Here we go. Sit back, relax. Wait for opportunity to arise. Just like that. Just like that. Beautiful pickup. Wow, nicely. Had you bought already here? This is your spot to sell. This is the first view up retest right now. Nice, beautiful green right now showing on the 5 minute. Okay. Wow. That is beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is the high that it did right here, as well as this gap right here. So far, no opportunities just yet. Just yet. Oh, wow. Beautiful pickup. 10-minute open above the VWAP. Going straight to right here where it got rejected originally. There's a 5-minute wick right here. Wow. Do you think it's gonna crack here and just move up? I mean, open above the VWAP. What do you think is gonna happen with Tesla? Right. Placing a put right here is a little risky, of course. You have this 10-minute close well above the VWAP. You know what I'm saying? The price came down, immediately got picked up here. So placing a put right here is a little risky. At least not yet. At least not yet. Let's just watch Tesla. Very intriguing. As for SPY, let's take a look at SPY here. Okay. SPY is holding this line, it's holding this zone. You can certainly buy a call for SPY right now. You know? Tight call, anything below the VWAP, just get out basically. You can trade a call here as long as above this 520.15, you're all right. Basically, this zone. So it closed red on the 10-minute. The 5-minute it went slightly. It closed below the VWAP and just got picked up. Of course, you know, give it some time. I'm gonna give it some time a little bit. Give it some time. I'm gonna give it some time for SPY to cook a little bit. Okay, take a look at that. Price moved up here and had a sudden reaction because expected. This is a zone that Tesla needs to break. You know, have you placed the put here? Understand that you went against this train. I hope that you've already sold. Have you placed the put here? That's what the HRT from yesterday would have done, right? Because we're biased on just one side of the trade. Okay, so we learned our lesson. We don't do that. Okay. All right, cool. Let's take a look at SPY real quick. SPY has approached that level. Take a look at right here. So you can certainly get a call. Let me get a tight call right now for SPY. It's a tight call, Anything below the VWAP is gonna get out. Yeah, just expected. Here we go. It's going below that line. I need to see a wick here before I add more. Okay, I'm getting some wick right now. Buyer's wick, right? I need to see a buyer's wick holding this zone, this line. They appear to be struggling, so I'm gonna wait to hold. I'm gonna wait to add. I'm not gonna add just yet. See a hold. Okay, they're not doing any hold right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. So I was hoping that buyers would be strong to hold here. There just seems to be a little struggle right now, so I'm gonna just kind of wait it out. You see that? It's not a hold. That's why I decided to get out. Okay, you might be looking for a put. That's too early though, of course. Too early. Oh, okay, finally the hold finally came. But there's just a struggle. The hold should have been above, so I think it's looking for a put, bruh. It just seems to be struggling. Let me just go ahead and place a put right now for SPY and hold a tight stop loss. Yeah, let me just do that. Went ahead and did that real quick. Place a put for SPY. I'm holding a stop loss here, essentially. Yeah, essentially the stop loss will be right here. It's a little too tight, I ain't gonna lie. Let me just move it up a little bit. Maybe it's like right here. The open up here. That's our stop loss, essentially. Let me just mark it for you guys. Okay, that orange is our stop loss. Do you think it was too early to take a put right now? Yeah, I would say yes, but at the same time, I would also say no. Because this just seemed to be a struggle here. You know what I mean? Like, why is it not holding here? you know, and that's just what I'm trading. Very fact that struggling to not hold this line. You know what I mean? So that tells me it could probably wants to push down a little bit. That's just why I did it. Could it still move up? I do not recognize that I'm going against the overall, you know, I'm the overall pickup here. So you are reached that first selling point here. Okay. I say the selling point because here, this is where it got picked up. So I'd rather get two out and then I can sell the other one here. Right? So I can sell the other one right here. Instead of take two out. Okay. Tesla is having a heyday. I don't even know what that even means, but Tesla's having that. Let me show you what it looks like. Tesla's having a great day. Look at that, right? That's how we didn't do that. We didn't just place a put just because it reached that level. We put factors in place. What are the factors that are in my favor? What are the factors that are not in my favor? And that's why I didn't place a put here. Do you see the difference how I'm trading today and yesterday? So every day it's a lesson when it comes to trading. Every day is a lesson. You must journal every day. Yesterday was just an absurd day for me to trade. Because I was in my emotion. I was in my emotional bag. You know what I mean? I was. So and I saw how much my emotion was blinding me from, you know, it's an intriguing feeling. It's a very interesting feeling, I should say. I'm not, yeah. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oops. Okay, we're getting a move up right now. We're gonna be selling this at break even, by the way. Yeah, if we were to retrace up, we're just gonna get out of break even, basically. Basically. Okay, so 5 minute right now is showing you know, look at the wick in the 5 minutes. So there appears to be a push down, more push down coming for a SPY. We could probably go right here, to be honest. You know, could probably go right there. Okay, is the price gonna maintain below here, or should we take this W? Right. Wow, we got the push down. We're straight there. All right, let's go ahead and enjoy it. Went ahead and enjoyed it. We went ahead and what? Enjoyed it. When it got pushed down like that, we went ahead and enjoyed it. Very, very good. This is how you should trade. Because my mental game was 10 out of 10. This is how you should trade. This is a great example. Right? And so, yeah, yeah, yeah. I really recommend you guys to watch yesterday's video. It's a reaction video of how I traded, and so you can see what emotion does to you. Thing about emotion, because trading is 80% emotion and your psyche. You know what I mean? And yeah, I was legit saying logical things, and yet I was going against it. That's called emotional trading. And you get, you know, biased and blindsided and all that stuff. And that's the effect. It's the effect. And so if you have that checked, you can make money in trading. Just following your rules. That's what I was doing today. So I recommend you guys to watch the video. I'm gonna post it very, very soon today. I really do recommend you guys should watch it. So you guys can learn, you know what I mean? Learn. Yeah, and take value from it. and how to handle, emotional, yeah, emotionally trading and the effect it has on you. Okay, get a visual effect from someone else and learn from it. Right? Okay, let's look at SPY. Look at that beauty. Went straight down. Look at that. Correct right here. Right? As he was approaching it, we get out. Right? We don't like sell right at it because you get that bounce. You know? And if SPY were to come here, yeah, we're gonna take a call. What are we doing? Why would we not take a call right here? Right? Okay. See what happens here. Should we take a call right here? Obviously, you can see what happened, right? If the price was to come to this line here, are you taking a call? Put it in the chat real quick. Are you? Now, by the way, the price broke below this zone right here. You could certainly take a put right here and have it above your stop loss above this zone. You know? And yeah, every trade, ask yourself, what are the odds in my favor? What are the odds that are against me? You know? Factors. Factors in your favor and factors that are against you. That's it. If you place a put here, trading this zone right here, things are kind of on your side. You have the 10-minute close like this. What in the world? You have you're in the price below the view up. Hello, right? And we got rejected off here. Hello. And the only thing that's left right now that's against us is this zone right here, which the price seems to be headed towards. Okay. So your odds kind of in your favor. All right, here we go. Now we wait. You sit back, relax. You sit back and relax. Let's take a look at Tesla real quick while we wait for SPY to cook up and go all the way there. All right, so here we go. Tesla, it's rocking right now. It is exploding. All right. Tesla, if we were to reach right this price, are we gonna take a put? Right? Are you gonna take a put Tesla right here if it comes here? Right? This is where Tesla seems to be headed, where it got rejected. Yeah, it is rocking right now. Soof. It's doing its thing. Okay? Doing its thing. It's kind of weird to see SPY being down like this on the opening, like it's cooling, you know what I mean? While Tesla's it's moving up. You don't see that sometimes. Usually see the other way around. I'll take a look at SPY real quick. Did it go down? Did you, yo, Mikey, did you go ahead and place that put right here? Yeah, yeah. SPY is looking, it's gonna be good to place a call at this level. That's kind of what I'm thinking of right now. SPY is looking good right here at this level. Tesla is up. Is there any news with Tesla or what's up? Why is Tesla rocketing like that? Okay, so this is SPY right here. Do you want me to go through a quick review about SPY, or were you watching me this whole time? Were you on the live the whole time? So I don't have to repeat for you. Okay. Do you think SPY is gonna go all the way down here and then move up? So we'll see what happens. So I'll take off one call right here for SPY. If he takes further dip down, I'll take like two calls right here, total of 3 contracts, and then we're gonna leave it. And then our stop loss would be, of course, you say you're thinking about it? Thinking about what? Getting a call right here? Okay. All right. Okay. So if we were to break here, we do need to mark certain levels here, We do. Oh wow, which is right here too. This is not an accident. Look at that. It's that bounce. All right. Let me do a little digging here. So SPY can of course go. Okay, so this is also where it can go. Let me go ahead and draw that out. What in the world? Was it right here? Yeah, it was right here. You said you were thinking about it? All right. We'll see what happens here. We will see what happens here. Let's see how close Tesla got to that level we're talking about. Look at that. Still exploding. Let's see how close it got to that level. So close. Almost there. I don't know if you guys can see it though. Dang. You guys cannot see that level. Yeah, right here. You see this right here? This level right here. I know it's being blocked right now. Yep. So that's kind of where we're looking to place a put. Basically. All right. Because whatever goes up must come down, right? The analogy there. So we'll see what's up. I'm watching SPY right now. There seems to be a wick on SPY. Looks like it wants to move outside of that zone. The zone just right above it. Let's cut the 10 minutes. You guys can see SPY real quick, and I'll switch over to SPY. So you guys can see real quick what I'm talking about. Look at the bottom screen real quick. All right, so this is where the price is at. So the price looking to go here right now with Tesla, and that's where we're looking to trade put right here. This reversal that occurred a few days ago, right? This reversal right here. So that's where we're going to be trading Tesla for a put. That's it. No other spots. As for SPY, we already know the SPY game plan. We already said it. Okay, here we go. Yep, SPY is still holding below this zone right here, struggling to even pass here. So it did show the wick as we were looking at Tesla. It showed a wick. It looked like it wants to go green and move up, but it just got rejected. So there seems to be a battle of accumulation here going on. So we'll see what happens as the price reaches here. You know, I like the fact that the price reaching here slowly. If it reaches that pretty fast, I don't like that. But if you kind of go slowly down, come here, you know, that's fine. I think we'll be fine to take a call. But we're gonna follow the plan though, right? We're gonna take one call here. As it goes in the zone, we're gonna add more calls up to a total of 3 contracts. We're not breaking our position sizing rule. SPY is 3 calls for me, and Tesla's 2 calls. Sometimes I can go to 4 calls for SPY, but I'm gonna maintain 3. Right, here we go. Now it's just a matter of waiting game. If you have any questions right now, I can certainly answer it for you. I know that some of the videos you guys have put a lot of comments on. I have not gotten a chance to answer each of your questions. So you guys can post it right here. I can certainly answer it for you. So, bro, take a look at as to why Tesla is running like that. Go ahead and take a look at that for me. News wise, just curious. I don't want to like go outside of my views here to do this to do that lookup. So if you could help me with that, that'd be great. Give me an idea what's going on here as to why Tesla is running up like that. I don't trade news, by the way. I trade technical, areas, and that's just what I do. But sometimes, hey, I want to know there's something that's a little different than usual. I want to know what's up. All right, here we go. We're getting closer and closer to that level right now, guys. We gotta get ready for a put, cause this thing must fall. Okay, I'm gonna leave the wrapping to the wrappers here. Right, here we go. Okay, come on. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there, right? It's almost there. It's almost there, you know? Oh, wow. It's literally right here. Oh, my goodness. Let me show you guys something. We're literally right here right now. I'm going to go ahead and extend this line so you guys can see. We are literally right here. Should we take the call right, the put right now? No. I'm going to wait, at least close the gap. Close the gap here. I'm going to turn that on. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. We got the wick right there. You see that? So trading is not random. Like, you already got the reaction right here at this spot. Look at that. All right? So I'm going to see a move up here and see what's up. See what happens. Now it's showing the struggle. Look at that. As soon as it hit right there. What do we say right here? This is why supply and demand trading is important. Congrats to that, those who banked right there a little bit. But we want to see outside of that for us to trade. SPY, slowly get into that level. To that call level that we want. Look at that. There's a struggle already. You know, the sellers that are here, their supplies needs to be bought up before it moves up. So okay, it's getting bought up. See that? It's getting bought up a little bit. Let's look at the 10 minute. That's the same really. You guys can't see that, so just focus on this screen for now. I'll find a way to fix this. Okay, they got bought up. So the first touch of supply here got bought up. We're getting a move up more. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We need to see a break above there, and we'll take one put. What's up? That's it. That's it. Let's see how close it is. Oh, wow. We are in the zone right now. We are like cracking it. We're going to it. I don't know if you guys see it, but we're literally going to, it's what? 177.12. 177.12 is going to be where we're going to be placing our put. 177.12. Man, that's crazy. Well, here's a way I can move it down. Oh yeah, there is a way. But it's gonna distort the thingy. I actually forgot where. No, it's actually here. I'm gonna do a manual here. Skadoosh. Why I did manual real quick so we can move it down. Oh. 177. Come on, 177. It's moving up. It's moving up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta go back to the normal here because I can't even see it anymore. Whoops. Let's go to audio so we can adjust. There we go. Here we go. 177.12. We're moving up to that line. Wow, what a push out. I'm gonna go ahead and take one put, guys. Very little risky. One put right here, 177.12. Okay, here we go. I took one put. Literally following my plan. Here we go. We're gonna pass outside of it. We are going to. Oh my goodness. We just tapped it right now. We're literally at it. I don't know if you guys see that line. You guys see it? Here we go. We're passing it. I'm gonna get out very, very soon. And we're passing it. We're done. That was fun. I enjoyed it. Little crack right there already. We gave back a little bit of our money. So that was fun. I really wanted to see if it's gonna. Wow, Tesla's extremely strong. That it just didn't even have. It wasn't even phased at that level anymore. So that means this news right here is an extreme news. This is a very extreme news, guys. That's dope. All right. So now we're gonna see what level is gonna react here. All right, here we go. Let's move up more. Let's see more here. Oh, the next one is right here. All right. Likely going to be right here for sure. Just extend that out. That's not really much of an important one. So we need to see where it's going to get a... We need to find out where it's going to reverse. That's essentially what's going on with Tesla. Can we find out where it's going to reverse? That is the question of the day. All right. Let me just do this screen. I know that screen's harder. 177.12. It just maneuvered around it. Like, what in the world? All right. That's fine. Gotta find out. 176. Let's figure out where it's gonna reverse, guys. That's our plan right now. There's a lot of stuff. I gotta just clear all this stuff out. Remove. Bear with me here because we're gonna need to find out where it's gonna reverse. Things don't just keep flying up like that. Airplane has to land sometimes. You know what I mean? Okay, because we need some fuel. We need to see where's light gonna run out of fuel. This run up. That's essentially we gotta figure it out. Where is this plane gonna start to say, hey, we need to go back to get some fuel here. We need to land here for a rest. Come on, bruh. Let's go. Let's find this out. Let's be patient, of course. I'm looking for like major wicks. Let me just go to the 30 minutes here. Okay. Let's try to find it. And if we can't find it, it's fine. We're not gonna fight it or anything. I'm just trying to see if I could find it. Where it's likely we can predict where it's likely might. So okay, we need to focus here, essentially. Let's focus here. Okay, where is it gonna reverse? All right. Okay. Need to see wick here. There's a wick right here, which is also supported here. So I can go ahead and mark here. Mark right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark right here. Okay. There's a wick right here. You guys can see. Okay. So there's a wick right here, this zone. Right? This is a zone here. So let's go ahead and extend this out. Okay, well, that's extended, so we're gonna see what happens. So what else? Where other wicks do we see here? Major wick levels. If you see it, let me know. Oops, let me just put the charger in real quick. Let's be patient here. Don't be in a rush to try to like find it. Just be patient. Let's be patient. Okay, so this is oh, maybe right there for sure. Let me just I see it. We're gonna find it, guys. Don't worry about it. I'll go ahead and extend this one out. Okay, we got this wick right here, this rejection that occurred here, and as well as this pickup that happened here. We went ahead and marked it. Do you see any other ones? I think that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. Obviously, of course, we're gonna need to do these. These are pretty important. I'm watching Spy too. Spy hasn't gone to that level yet. Congratulations for those who placed the put on that zone. You seem to be doing well because he has not cracked that zone. It looks like slowly going down and down. So, okay. Right now, I'm just trying to determine where, Tesla might just cool off from, basically. I'm not sure why I marked this that color. Let me just extend this out. We're just being proactive right now, right? We're looking ahead of the, the price and trying to see where it's like going to reverse. That's essentially what we're doing, right? Literally. This is not a bad one. I'm just extending all these major levels. That's it. That's it. That's it. What's up, Sumo? All right, here we go. Here we go. I think that's it. That's it. I'm gonna just leave it at that and just see how it's gonna react here. See these levels that I just marked, how they're gonna react. I marked here. Where else did I mark? Okay, I marked these areas here. I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, this extended. I think we're good. We don't want to get too confused here, guys. Let's reel it in. Let's go back. Let's go back. These are the spots that we've already marked. All right. Now we're gonna see how Tesla's gonna respond to each of these levels. That's it. That is it. That is it. Okay. Any immediate ones? There's one right here. All right, here we go. There's one right here. This is a good one. But yet still struggling. There's one right here. This is not even much of a major level one. So at least do it. Let's mark it and see how it's gonna respond. I went ahead and extended this one out just to see. Just to see this one, because let me show you. So the price got picked up here and then went right back down. So this level, I went ahead and decided to do it. Ideally, you want this one because this one shows a wick. You know what I'm saying? This one clearly shows a reaction. Like, nope. So 175.35 is already extended out, so that's good. All right. Yeah. We don't need to do anything more than that. We're just going to see how Tesla's going to respond to these zones on top. So we got to this one right here. There's no wick right now, so I don't know if we're going to place a put on this one. That's a really nice one. All right, here we go. We'll go ahead and place just one. Go ahead and place just one. I'm fine to give away my gains. I mean, it's just how trading works. I'm not really... Okay, here we go. It's getting a push. Oh my goodness. Here we go. We're getting a push on that one already. All right. No wick at all. Look at that. No wick at all on the 10. Oh, this is the 30 minute. Oh my goodness, I made a bad decision. I wasn't looking at the correct timing. Where's the time? The 10 minute. So I can see how it responded. Yeah, I should have not taken that call. Oh, sorry, that put. Because I wanted to see the 10-minute wick. Come on. Should probably get out, but I want to see. I'm seeing some wick right now. Is this the zone where it's going to cool off from? Right here? It seems to be struggling on the 10-minute right now. Let's look at the 5-minute. This is the actual, zoning on the 5-minute here. Oh, they're both 10 minutes. This should be 5-minute. I'm going to keep this to 10 minutes. So I know that the top spin is a little difficult. Okay, this is the... Oh my goodness, look at that. Green. What a run up. All right, there's a struggle right now at this zone. So let's be careful here. And it's clearing it. So we're going to give back some of our profit and it's clearing it. Okay, giving back slowly here. Giving back slowly, essentially. Well, did I chicken out too soon or what? This zone right here. That's hilarious. Wow. Very intriguing. Right? Very intriguing here. It's still moving up. Oh my goodness. This is very impressive. We gave back, 20 some dollars. These 2 trades that we took with these levels. But yeah, this is continuing to move up, breaking this level. So let's see the next level where it is. What's the news, guys? All right. Okay, so the next one is right here. Let's see how valid that one is. This one I traded is also really valid, yet still had a struggle to move up, so that's surprising to me. I guess not surprising based on the price action, what's going on, the move up that's going on. So I don't know what the heck why I marked this one. This one doesn't seem valid at all. Let's just remove that one. This is the one that I just placed the put and it's clearing here. So very interesting in it. So we might be going to this line right here, the 180-176. That could be the reason, right? It could go there for sure. All right, so let me see if I could mark anything right now. It's above. Let me just extend this line here, the left side, so I know what line it is. I can have a reference here. Okay, now I have a reference where the price is at. Let's zoom in here. This is where currently the price is at right now. So where do you think it's going to reverse? This is where the price is at right now. This green line. All right. Where is it going to reverse? Is it going to go right here and then reverse? Is it going to go right here? You know what I mean? Like this little pickup that I did and reverse back down. That's what we're trying to determine. I think for me, it would have to be right here on this yellow line. I'm not going with these little mini ones. I'm not using these mini ones, guys. Okay, remove. Let's switch this to the 30 minutes, see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so this is where the price is at. This is the 30-minute view. Do you think we're going to come here and reject here? Should I mark right here? Should I mark right here, guys? This level right here. This wick that we had when the price came here, I just rejected it. All right, let's do it. Let's go ahead and mark here. This is a 30-minute rejection. Let's go ahead and mark it. This is going to be our next level to place a put. It's 179, which is very right now nearing. Went ahead and extend it out. Here we go. Here we go. Let's just do that. Let's just do that. 179 something. Let's just do that. We're approaching it. We're approaching it. So here we go. Let's go to the 10-minute right here. Let's place our one put. We are essentially going against this, guys. But we're being cautious, of course. We're just only trading with one contract. And okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I see you got into trading, huh? That's good, man. I'm here to help. I'm here to help. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right? The line is just right there. Do you think it's going to reverse right there? All right. So we're going to see what happens here. Let me get the 5-minute up there so I can see if there's any wick going on in the 5 minutes. There's a little slightly some wick. It's approaching. It's approaching. Should I take it right now? Come on. Do you guys see it clear? Yeah, we're getting some wick already. I'm tempted to get in right now, guys. Right now. Okay, I'm in because I couldn't wait longer. But just follow your rules, though. Follow your rules. I went ahead and got in just because there seems to be a struggle. The wick showing, the wick showing, wick showing. There seems to be some of that. So I decided to get in right now. I would have liked to get in like as soon as like tapping it, you know? But there was a struggle, so I decided to get in on one. Okay, we finally got, so we're seeing some rejection there. So that could have been the spot. Right now it's going back to this level here, so we could get a bounce up even more. So we're gonna allow this to sauce up and see if we can get a view up retest with this one contract. That'd be so dope if this thing like reverses all the way back down to view up retest. But don't fall in love with the potential though. Trading is just like you gotta make a decision based on what's up. I think we may have found it. We may have found where it wants to take a rest and cool off. Because we're finally showing some, you know, red here. You know? Profit taking is finally happening. So here we go. Is it gonna bounce off this level right now? Is gonna more accumulation might happen here. So we ain't celebrating, guys. We ain't not celebrating until we crack below this green line. Literally. We're not celebrating. Can we get a crack on the green and go to that view up retest? That's basically right. Trading is like literally watching your money riding a roller coaster. Literally, bruv. Literally. We were up 75 bucks, and each level we're trying to find out where the stock's like gonna reverse. We had to, you know, give it some away. That's just how it works. It's going up and down. So now it's probably gonna go back up because this trade seems to be going our direction. We got a 10-minute right now clearance happening. Push down. So we're gonna see if is the accumulation gonna happen here again and push up even further? Probably. We finally got our first red, guys. We finally got the first 5-minute red after this just run up. Congratulations. Right? And that's all we were doing. We're just trying to figure it out. But again, we can't celebrate though. We cannot celebrate. Here we go. We're gonna sell this at break even, of course. Once we see 0-0, we're out. If this thing were to push up, this is gonna be our stop loss, basically. At this point, this is our risk. And this is our reward. A VWAP retest. Right? Still way too soon to celebrate here. Way too soon. Because this thing can still move up, guys. Remember, we're just literally at the green. So that means it's going to move up. That's going to get accumulated and move up. You know what I mean? The only thing that's in our favor right now, we have a 5-minute close. That's it. As well as this 10-minute wick showing that. That's nothing to celebrate because we have all these other factors against us. You know what I'm saying? Green. We have not seen a red on the 10-minute. So that'd be dope to see that. We might get it right now. But we'll see what happens here. So that wick of rejection right there, that's our stop loss. And once we trigger that, we're done for the day. We're going to go ahead and secure the 58 bucks and call it. Okay, here we go. We're approaching that level right now. 179.16. Here we go. We're approaching it. Okay, there's a struggle right now happening, but it looks like it wants to clear this supply. It wants to clear this supply, guys. It wants to clear it. Is it going to clear it and go above the 179.19? Let's sit back, relax. But we're ready to exit out, of course, if that were to happen, and that's all right. That's all right. This is expected, right? This is expected. This is that green spot we're talking about. It's the reason why we marked it. Here we go. It's literally clearing this supply that I got dumped on the 10-minute. Clearing it. And now we're going to get out. Ready? I'm going to get in one more just because it's so tight to it. And if it goes outside of it, I'm out. Here we go. And we are out. 1, 2. We are out in 1, 2. If he moves outside of it, we're out, right? Basically. And we're moving outside. It appears to be moving outside. Getting some wick. That's good at least, but this is going to be a struggle for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Do you guys see it? Or is it just me? Let me get a perspective on how far the other line is. Be very careful because I'm not going against this. If it goes outside of that, we are out, bruh. We ain't playing. Glad we got the wick. So right, this is the spot right here, the 179.50 something. Okay, we got the wick. We're getting some wick of pressure back down. That's in our favor, but again, ain't nothing to celebrate, guys. We need to see it break this down. I got in one more just because it was so close to my stop loss. It's fine. Nothing to celebrate there. But I'm glad to see the wick happen. We got the cooldown. Not because it came back down to this level, I do have to sell here. Okay. It'd be nice to held that, you know, the second one, but it's fine. I'm just following my rule. There we go. We got the rejection here. Look at that. Glad we added it, right? Still, we ain't celebrating just yet. Mm-mm. Okay, so now the 5 minutes showed a wick as well too of push down, but this one was closed green, so we still got more push up to do, it appears. So this is the struggle right here, 179.19. It's probably a psychological level because right after 179 is 180. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see. We'll see. We ain't celebrating here because this is still gonna move up because look at all this green. But once he cracks the green and we see at least like a red on the 10-minute, then we can start to kind of feel a little good. You know, can start to feel a little good at that point. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're moving up back to that level again. This is the second time he's doing it. So every time it goes to that level, the more time it does it, the more odds that it's gonna break it. You know what I'm saying? The first time, maybe not. Second time, maybe not. But third, fourth, after that, it may. But we sit back, relax, and we observe. That's it. That's it. Glad that we got the wick here. Glad that we got the wick. We're holding here. We're holding a wick. Sellers are pushing it down. They're saying not yet. They're saying no. You're not going outside of here. This is our territory. So we'll see what happens here. The price is now cracking. Price has now cracked below the VWAP. Oh, did I just say the VWAP? Below this line. So that's nice, guys. What a nice. That is beautiful. All right. We're going to see a push down all the way here. Should we get out of this trade right now? Take our 26 bucks and call it? Or should we hold it all the way to the VWAP retest? What's up? What should we do? Because we finally found out where the reversal is going to be. Right? We did. Of course, my first sell will be right here, of course. Look at that. Gorgeous. We'll take it. We'll just take it, guys. We're not here. We're not out here trying to, you know. We'll take it. Could I still held it all the way? Sure, certainly I could have. We're gonna go ahead and take it. All right. So, you see the difference of levels how I traded today and how I traded yesterday? Because today I'm not affected by emotion. I looked at what I did wrong yesterday and I improved on it. So this is trading. Move forward every day and just take a lesson and move forward every single day. That's it. All right. So appreciate you guys all for joining. Before I leave, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and place in the chat real quick. Mike, you got anything? Sumo? All right. Looks like everybody's all good. And I look forward to replying to all the responses you guys give on the what's it called? On the YouTube channel. And yeah, appreciate you guys all for joining the channel. All right. HRT out.